Welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the world of automobiles to bring you the most honest and detailed reviews. Today we're counting down the 10 least reliable new vehicles of 2025. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for your next ride, this list will help you make an informed decision. We'll be focusing on price, exterior design, interior features, and performance to give you a comprehensive look at each vehicle. Let's get started. Number 1. Jeep Wrangler. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler continues to be a rugged off-road icon, but its reliability issues keep it at the top of our list. Priced at around $45,000, the Wrangler boasts a classic boxy exterior with removable doors and a fold-down windshield, perfect for adventure seekers. However, its interior feels outdated, with hard plastics and limited tech features compared to competitors. Performance-wise, the Wrangler shines off-road with its robust 4x4 system, but on-road handling is stiff and uncomfortable. Frequent reports of electrical glitches and transmission problems make it a risky choice for daily drivers. Number 2. BMW X5. The 2025 BMW X5 is a luxury SUV that struggles with reliability despite its premium price tag of $65,000. Its exterior design is sleek and modern, with BMW's signature kidney grille and sharp lines. Inside, the X5 offers a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials, advanced tech, and spacious seating. However, its performance is marred by frequent engine issues and software bugs in its infotainment system. While the X5 delivers a smooth and powerful ride, its high maintenance costs and unpredictable reliability make it a less appealing option in its class. Number 3. Jeep Cherokee. The 2025 Jeep Cherokee, priced at $35,000, is a compact SUV with a rugged exterior and a focus on off-road capability. Its boxy design and bold grille give it a distinctive look, but the interior feels cramped and outdated, with subpar materials and limited cargo space. Performance is decent, with a range of engine options, but the Cherokee is plagued by transmission problems and poor fuel efficiency. While it's a capable off-roader, its lack of refinement and frequent mechanical issues make it one of the least reliable vehicles of the year. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz GLS. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS is a full-size luxury SUV with a starting price of $85,000. Its exterior is imposing and elegant, with a massive grille and sleek LED lighting. The interior is a highlight, offering opulent materials, cutting-edge technology, and ample space for 7 passengers. However, the GLS suffers from numerous reliability issues, including air suspension failures and electrical problems. Its powerful engine options deliver impressive performance, but the high cost of repairs and frequent breakdowns make it a risky investment for luxury SUV buyers. Number 5. Toyota Camry. The 2025 Toyota Camry, priced at $30,000, is a mid-size sedan known for its reliability until now. This year, the Camry has seen a surprising number of complaints about its CVT transmission and engine performance. Its exterior design is sleek and modern, with sharp lines and a sporty stance. The interior is comfortable and well-equipped, with user-friendly tech and spacious seating. However, the Camry's once stellar reputation for reliability has taken a hit, making it a less dependable choice in the competitive sedan market. Number 6. Volkswagen Taos. The 2025 Volkswagen Taos is a compact SUV with a starting price of $28,000. Its exterior design is clean and modern, with a minimalist approach that appeals to urban drivers. Inside, the Taos offers a well-designed cabin with intuitive tech and decent cargo space. However, its performance is underwhelming, with a sluggish engine and poor handling. Reliability issues, including frequent electrical problems and engine failures, further detract from its appeal. While the Taos is affordable, its lack of dependability makes it a questionable choice for long-term ownership. Number 7. Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe, priced at $35,000, is a mid-size SUV with a bold exterior design and a spacious, tech-filled interior. Its sharp lines and aggressive grille give it a modern look, while the cabin offers premium materials and advanced safety features. However, the Santa Fe's performance is lackluster with a noisy engine and unimpressive fuel economy. Reliability issues, including transmission problems and frequent recalls, have tarnished its reputation. Despite its attractive design and features, the Santa Fe falls short in terms of dependability. Number 8. Nissan Versa. The 2025 Nissan Versa is a budget-friendly sedan with a starting price of $22,000. Its exterior design is simple yet stylish, with a sleek profile and modern lighting. The interior is basic but functional, with a user-friendly infotainment system and comfortable seating. However, the Versa's performance is underwhelming, with a weak engine and sluggish acceleration. Reliability issues, including CVT transmission failures and electrical problems, make it a risky choice for budget-conscious buyers. While the Versa is affordable, its lack of dependability is a significant drawback. Number 9. Audi Q5. The 2025 Audi Q5 is a luxury compact SUV with a starting price of $50,000. Its exterior design is sophisticated and sporty, with Audi's signature single-frame grille and sharp lines. The interior is luxurious with high-quality materials, advanced tech, and a spacious cabin. However, the Q5's performance is hindered by frequent engine issues and software glitches. While it offers a smooth and comfortable ride, its high maintenance costs and reliability concerns make it a less appealing option in the luxury SUV segment. Number 10. Land Rover Discovery. The 2025 Land Rover Discovery, priced at $60,000, is a premium SUV with a rugged yet refined exterior design. Its boxy shape and signature grille give it a distinctive look, while the interior offers luxurious materials, advanced tech, and ample space for 7 passengers. However, the Discovery's performance is marred by frequent mechanical issues, including engine failures and suspension problems. While it excels off-road, its poor reliability and high repair costs make it a risky choice for luxury SUV buyers. And there you have it, the 10 least reliable new vehicles of 2025. While these cars may have their strengths, their reliability issues make them risky investments. If you're in the market for a new vehicle, be sure to do your research and consider long-term dependability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive insights. See you in the next video.